friends! Go grab your favorite stuffy, get comfy, and let's get ready for a story. Tonight is Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site by Sherry Dusky Rinker. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done load by load. The sun is set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they'll go to bed, to yawn and rest their sleepy heads, then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play.